I want to take a look at our lookup function. This is from your Module 3 function exercises, which was your D2L assignment. I just want to take a look because this is what I was getting from several of you. And it wasn't wrong, but I want to propose another way to have done this formula. So if I click up here, here's my formula. I'm using the vertical lookup. I'm using G2 as my lookup value. And then here is the range in which I'm looking up, what column I want to return, and then true or false. So there is nothing wrong with the way this formula is set up, but I'm doing A1 through A2 because I'm looking for department, and then over here A2 through C2 because I'm looking up phone number, and then on and on. Now, what do you think? Would it have been easier if I had just set it up using relative cell references in the first place? So I'm just going to open up my function dialog box, and because I'm using whatever is in G2 as my lookup value, I'm going to go ahead and make that an absolute cell reference. Now my table array, instead of just limiting this to A2 through B32, why not select the entire table array? So A2 through E32. Let me put that into the right. Do that again. Okay. Now, I don't want this table array is going to remain the same. So again, I'm going to make this an absolute cell reference. Got to hit the right keys on my keyboard. Okay, now this column index number, this is correct. So the only thing I've done different here is I widened my table array. I included the entire data set, and then my lookup value remains the same, but I made that an absolute reference. Click OK. Now what I would have to do is copy that over. Now granted, I still have to tweak the formula a little bit because now instead of column 2, I'm returning the result from 3. Here I'm returning it from 4, and then this one from 5. But do you think that might be a little easier? Because now instead of completely putting in the formula 1, 2, 3, 4 separate times, I just basically put it in once, I copy it over, and then I just tweak it. It's still the exact same thing, but now I've had to do less work. Okay, that's all I wanted to point out to you guys. Just give you another way to do the problem.